in the name of Allah who is the most merciful and magnificent. Respect the absent headmaster, honorable teachers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. As we know that we are gathered to celebrate Culture Day, Mr. President sir, today is our extra day and it is just like the national holiday for all the Sindhis of the world. Really, our unique methods, historical, culture, and fairness of all in this ultimate singles like paradise and chaos. We are proud to be Sindhi. This land is a celebration on the matter of the world. President sir, this is the privilege and heartbreaking thing of it is like our sweet mother and it is pain, serving, caring and looking after the unlimited humanity and 5,000 years. We are proud of our historical culture. We are proud of our rich civilization. We are proud of our Turkey and Israel. We are proud of our great countries. Legends of Vijay Chandra Lal Sahab, Swami Satyalayal means unity soils our aim to be united and must apply importance is well is the knowledge of tradition and culture. The last I want to say, Mahni Chera Sakal, Saim Sadai Kare Sindhu Mata Sarkar, Saim Sadai Kare Sindhu Mata Sarkar, Dostam Mata Sarkar, Alam Sabha Baat Kare.